Kim Taehyung makes fans panic. BTS of monochrome photo shared via Instagram stories has fans speculating about his future projects. On November 21, BTS via his personal Instagram account shared various updates about his recent whereabouts and also posted a monochrome photo of himself. Wearing a black fur jacket without a shirt underneath, the 28-year-old singer caught fans' attention with his visuals. Fans also noticed signs of fake blood on her face. Notably, the idol shared the monochrome image via his personal Instagram stories in response to a fan who requested a preview of any project. ARMY then took to social media to try to guess the concept of BTS member V's next release based on the images. ARMY are also wondering if this is a hint at a new music release, perhaps KTH2, another collaboration with Celine, or if the artist is planning to dive into acting. Apart from that, since BTS successfully completed the release and promotion of his debut solo album Layover, ARMY has been very excited to find out his next project. Although the slow dancing singer is tight-lipped about his work, he occasionally drops hints about his future projects. Previously, he released a short clip of himself recording a song in a recording studio, which fans assumed was a Christmas release, as BTS has shared on several occasions that he loves the festival. However, on November 21, BTS released stunning new photos, causing ARMY to second-guess their initial suspicions about his new work project. Fans took to the comments section of Kinj My Life's Twitter post, as they wondered if after exploring a gentle and romantic concept with Layover, the idol would showcase a darker and grittier concept with KTH2. Notably, ARMY noticed that BTS shared the image in response to a fan's request for a preview of any project. This could mean a number of things, including a new song, a collaboration with another artist, a music video, or a new album together. In parallel, fans are also speculating that BTS might announce his debut acting project or be part of a glittering photo shoot with French luxury brand Celine, for which he is the brand ambassador.
So catch me if